Did not expect to see this in Washington, Missouri. Hello everyone, I'm at Missouri Meerschaum Corn Cob Pipe Factory, and I'm going to get myself a tour, so follow me. I feel like I need a disclaimer with this video. I'm not pro-smoking, I'm pro-manufacturing. It's fun to see how things are made. With that said, I'm not your mom. You can do whatever you want. I think they got more people than they anticipated, so it was kind of hard to see exactly what was going on, so I'm going to do my best to explain the process to you. Naturally, you need corn. The corn is stored and dried for 2 years.
On the natural cob, that's what it looks like.
Back in their heyday, they had 200 people working here. That's impressive. Today they have about 37 people making 30 styles of pipes. They normally don't have factory tours, but they're celebrating their 150th anniversary. So this year they're having a tour in the spring and in the fall.
I was calling people up there now. I can run it real quick for a second.
What are you doing?
Just put the tobacco hole in. Down the chamber, I'll sort them, you know, because I want the bigger one. Drills them away, and then when I get back,
They're falling in.
Glue.
Glue?
Nowadays, just put the smaller part,
Yeah.
glue it in, or glue it.
Oh, that's the
thing.
bottom of the pipe.
Yeah, and that's the top of it. You come over here and top it off, saying it all the way down to,
Oh,
yeah.
nice. Cool.
And here, the smaller one, these are Morgan. They don't really need to do anything, just a little plug, put it in
Plug in
there.
there. Okay. Yeah. That makes lots of sense.
Yep.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
Yeah.
They're taking cobs like this and they're shaping those up on the lathe, so this would be more of our intricate design. So all these are done by hand. Basically they put them on the spindle and they just got to try to mimic the design we kind of created as close as possible. So there's a lot of artisanship, and like I said, it's a handcrafted pipe, so every pipe's completely different. There's no two pipes that are the same.
What's he doing over here? How's it going? So I missed it. That's the plaster?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, watch out, I don't want to hurt you. Thanks.
That's what most of these guys are doing here, is they're sanding that plaster off the first bill.
They sell their pipes to 70 different countries. Wow.
I've done it a couple of times. Just gotta keep on moving. This is kind of nice for us. A nice slow pace for us. Normally we're going pretty quick.
You're going.
How many do you, like, will you do with, like, a typical shift?
In a shift, pretty much up to 3,000.
Wow.
Wow.
It depends on the order as well, and you know.
Oh, excuse
I
me.
bet you just love these tours, don't you? People watching over your shoulder.
I'm used to it.
Well, those are little bitty ones.
Oh, yeah.
So what these doing here, she's actually taking a patch and working it around that stem hole. We do this for two reasons. One, that's pretty similar, just smaller. So every pipe is assembled, it's been sealed up tight. They got all the steps done. Not all the pipes, but a lot of them will come to this point. This is our spray booth here. So basically they're gonna take a pipe, they're gonna put it on that spindle, and it's gonna roll through this machine here, and we got two spray guns. Those spray guns are gonna spray and add a clear coat lacquer all the way around the pipe. And basically that's just giving it a sheen. So you can see we started with that nice raw looking rough cob, and now we have a pretty nice, smooth, shiny product, and this will be a great smoker. This is one of our Bulldog styles. We haven't really done it since the 90s. We actually released it for the 150th event. So this weekend is the first time anybody's been able to buy them in 20, 30 years now. But so I think this one's going to be a huge seller, I'm pretty sure.
I think they're drying over here. I'd say they're drying here. Lacquer operation. They're drying over here. Yeah.
Finished product. This one we call the Comment Series. But this would be like a church court style. So basically, once we get to the point where a pipe is fully assembled, it's met all of our standards. You know, we checked it for cracks, any defects or anything like that. The next step would be to go ahead and package it and ship it. The room you came through at the beginning, that was our shipping room. So what they're going to do is they're going to take them and they're going to, we got copper hooks on these cards. They'll hook them. We got a shrink tunnel, it'll shrink the plastic over that. We have a few different ways of displaying them. We also have a counter display that's a box. We'll send them out that way. If you look behind you over here to your right, there's a skin packer. Walgreens themselves will, typically, they buy them all that way. And then we even have like a gift set, so if you wanted to buy like a two-piece gift set, we'll do it that. And some will just sell it in bulk. You know, we have retailers that sell on Amazon.
Then we finished the tour at the museum and gift shop. That display with all the pipes, it was here in 1904 for the World's Fair. Cool. I'm guessing this is Henry Tibby, the founder of the pipe factory.
You need a hold out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. It was fascinating. I liked it. It was pretty cool. See you guys someplace or another. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.